Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove the header photo on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your header photo is a great way to personalize your profile, and we'll guide you through the steps to remove it. Step 1. Start by navigating to your profile on X, Twitter, by clicking on your profile picture or username. Step 2. Look for the Edit Profile button on your profile page and click on it to access the editing options. Step 3. Locate the camera icon that represents your header photo and click on it to access the editing options for your header. Step 4. Once you click on the camera icon, you'll see the option to remove your current header photo. Select Remove to delete the existing header image. Step 5. After removing the header photo, make sure to click or tap on the Save button to confirm the changes to your profile. Well done! You've successfully removed the header photo on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your profile will now be updated without a header image. Enjoy customizing your profile to suit your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.